Why would you take it?
I'll take it because it's still money.
And it has what?
Value.
Yes. No matter how many times from this point that you have been stamped on, you have been kicked aside, you have told that you're not going to be successful. No many times, how many times you're watching negative on the news? I don't care. You remember this because you are part of this. This is you. No matter what happens to you in your life, think of this $20 bill. You still have value. Check. All right, I gotta move. What's happening? Okay, I'm gonna head out now because I see they gave me that clock, but I do have something I'm gonna leave you with. I like little quotes.
What, money?
No. You know, the $100 bills. I'm gonna leave you with this. And I wrote this and I remembered it, but for some reason I get nervous. See, I wrote this, I'm looking last night, I said, what's going to help? See, we think we're walking out here individuals. When we say walking out, we're going to walk out together. Check. See, remember this. Walking. Yeah? Hold on. Walking together is key. Remember this. Walking together is key. Coming together is the beginning. Check. Walking together is key. Check. Coming together is the beginning. Check. See, keeping together is progress. Check. Yeah, but you know what? Working together is success. I just want to say thanks for being here. You know, I'm going to be having some fun all day, so I enjoy it. Sorry for taking too long. I'm sorry. I apologize. Get on your feet. Give me a round of applause. Get on your feet. Get on your feet. Come on, man. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.